originally from Cape Town, South Africa, and moved over to Ireland in 1999. Been in the accountancy and finance industry for about 25 years nearly now. Accounting software just started coming out at that stage. Having to introduce that into your workflows and to your day-to-day working was a big challenge back then. I think having that experience and having felt a bit of pain previously, it gives you an understanding and an appreciation, I think, of the commitment that the customers made to improving their business. And having that understanding and a natural empathy helps guiding them through the process.
I joined in June of last year. Prior to that, I had 20 odd years international sales and sales management experience in software and technology companies. Get a whiteboard and sit down with the team and actually map out how you do things. And until you sit back and look at it and realise what you're doing and how complex or convoluted it is, you won't realise where your bottlenecks are. And for us, those bottlenecks are usually where we can deliver value quickest.
I've been with Flowlens for 6 years now, and in that time I've gone from initially from a software tester right through to project management and now as product manager for the company. That product manager role involves actually working with the customers, making sure they understand the product and the workflows, and listening to their feedback and anything we can implement in the product, adding to the product to help them in their business processes.
Looking under the bonnet and really examining what your business does and how it does it is extremely important. And having the benefit and the opportunity to take a step back and go, right, we're making this change, we're going to do things better. It's a big step and it is an advantage, definitely. It's definitely a fun aspect of what I do in Flowlens, in that no two customers are the same. And everybody has their own unique way of doing things, which is great. Every day for me is a school day. Going and learning what people do and how they do it is brilliant, because I mean that teaches me new skills and new perspectives and different ways of looking at things.
I talk to customers every day on the phone. What we found is that customers who have their customer information, their supplier information, their list of parts and their bill of material for the products, having that ready to go is always going to help speed up the process and get that information on the system and getting them using the system quicker.
Adoption is one of the biggest risk factors for software implementation. If you don't get people using it, then you might have picked the best product out there, best fit for your business, but it's not going to get you the benefits you're looking for. And it starts with the hearts and minds. It starts with people being brought into the fact that the way they do things currently is not the best way they could be doing things currently.
Success for us from an implementation perspective is when we sit down with the customer and they can confidently tell us they're getting benefits from the system that they previously never had, like a consistency in data, and they can go and spend time improving other areas of their business.